welcome back to my channel. My name is Scotto, and I know I haven't been here for such a long time, and I'm so sorry. I had a lot going on, but I'll update you guys later on. But today's video is very exciting, a very exciting comeback video. So before we get started with the video, I just wanted to say that I'm sorry that I haven't been here on YouTube for a long time. I had a lot of personal stuff going on. I've been working a lot. I'm currently trying to get my real estate license, so I have a lot of personal things going on, but I'm back, and I can't wait. I have so many video ideas that I'm going to bring out to you guys, and I also wanted to explain that when I was on YouTube, I don't even remember when my last video was, a long time ago. I wanted to try different things on my channel when I was doing it. I was doing vlogs, I was doing luxury, I was doing hauls, I was doing reviews, and I was just pretty much trying to figure out my niche on YouTube. And I think I'm going to stick with luxury because I really can't communicate or relate to anyone in my personal life about luxury goods, and I have such a great passion for luxury goods. So I think that's what I'm going to be doing here on YouTube, is make luxury videos like hauls, unboxings, reviews, all that kind of good stuff. So if you like any of those things, please make sure to hit that subscribe button, and if you like this video, comment, like and comment, and yeah. So for today's video, I have a very exciting unboxing, and it is from Saks Fifth Avenue. I've been eyeing this piece for such a long time, and I worked hard, so I rewarded myself. So if you want to see what I got from Saks, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so this item, I tried it on at the Short Hills Mall about, I want to say 6 months ago, and I never stopped thinking about it. From that point on, I was obsessed with it. I saw so many pictures on Pinterest, Instagram. Classic piece, but it's not trendy or anything at the moment. But I just love this piece so much, and I've been loving it so much, but I can't really give you a review today. Stop rambling, and let's just get onto the unboxing. This is not a true unboxing. I've been using this piece and loving it, so just wanted to let you guys know this box did not come horribly packaged like this. I have to say, while I'm talking, I'm gonna unbox it, but I have to say that I wasn't really disappointed. I was just very bummed out. It didn't come with its original box that I got the item from. But Saks Fifth Avenue doesn't charge you for shipping, so I totally understand. They were trying to save on shipping. Maybe that's the case, but I don't know. But that's the only flaw with Saks Fifth Avenue. Other than that, this piece came beautifully packaged, and it was really quick as well too. It took I want to say 5 days, not even. But I also use the app Ebates, so I did save some money on this piece. So yeah, alright, I'm gonna stop talking, I'm sorry. This is how it came, and this is just, oh jeez, take two. So this is my receipt, and I'm not going to show you my receipt only because it has all my information on it. So yeah, it has my information. Just came in this little envelope, and then this is how it came with the tissue paper, and it has the Saks Fifth Avenue sticker on it. So to reveal, it is from Gucci, and this is just the responsibility cards, and this is the I don't know what this is, the number. And excuse my nails, I have to get them done. Haven't gotten to it yet. So here is the piece. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh, I love this piece. Here is the Gucci dust bag. I love the drawstring dust bags that Gucci provides. I like them way better than the Louis Vuitton ones that are just the flap over. I just think it's so much easier to storage, and I don't know, it looks cuter, I think. I don't know. So this is just a classic Gucci dust bag, very silky, very soft. Okay, oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Jeez. Okay, and And are we ready? Uh-oh, you have a sneak peek. Okay, so if you want, you can pause the video right now and take a guess by seeing a little sneak peek of it, and also the chain. Guess down in the comments. If not, let's just go right to it because I am so impatient. Okay, the bag that I ended up getting was the yes, this is the Gucci Dionysus, I don't know, so many people call it so many different names, but yes, this is the bag. I love this bag so much. It is the perfect size, and I've been loving small bags, mini bags. I don't know what it is, I've just been loving carrying them. So I did try this on 6 months ago and I fell in love and couldn't stop thinking about it. This is a crossbody bag. The chain is in the purse. I'll get to that in a little bit, but to describe the outer parts of the bag, so the first flap piece is all coated canvas. It is so good material and durable. It doesn't scratch up easily. It's just very, very good, very well made bag. And then for the closure, it is a button right on the side right there, and on this beautiful detailing is jaguar heads. And when I first tried it on, I thought they were snake heads, but they are jaguar heads, and it's just so beautiful and just gives the bag such like an edgy but like classy but chic like kind of look. I just love it so much. And then on the side of the bag, it has microfiber suede, and also the second flap has microfiber suede on it. The bottom of the bag is microfiber suede, and also on the other side microfiber suede, and then also has glazing on the edges of the bag. Here's a closer look. And I also was very scared because of the bottom was being microfiber suede, but it has held up very, very well. I've had this for about 3 weeks now, and yeah, it hasn't showed any wear. And I was out one day last week and it just rained all of a sudden, and I had no choice, but it held up very well. Didn't leave any marks or anything. It did get a little wet, but I wiped it off as soon as I got home, and it has been in great shape. So, oh, and also the back of the bag has no pockets, just the canvas, and I actually do prefer this because I feel like if it were to have some suede on the back, it would rub off like if you were wearing jeans or something. So I'm very, very happy that the back is canvas so it doesn't get damaged or anything. So let's get into the inside of the bag. So like I said, the button closure is on the side, so you open it like this. Okay, so the interior of the bag, when you open it, is a microfiber suede all throughout the first flap, and I did stuff it back, but it came with stuffing, which I love because then I can restuff it when I'm not using the bag. So the inside flap has microfiber suede. This is the second flap, and it's a pocket. I don't really use this pocket because I don't want to like damage the shape of the bag. It is quite tiny. I mean, you could fit probably like some cards or your card holder. I tried using my phone or putting my phone in here, and it did not fit. It was just like a very tight squeeze, so I just took it out. But yeah, that's the first flap. Has canvas. Love that. And also the interior, I don't know if you can see that. Oh yeah, you can. The microfiber suede on one side, and then the other side just has like canvas. And then this part is microfiber suede. One thing that I could say that has been bothering me a little bit is that when I close the bag and open it, the button, it's not showing up now, but the button mark becomes available, like visible, and also like the straps. But I just usually just buff it out and it just goes back to normal. But it's not really bothersome. It is, but it's not. I don't know, it's 50-50. But I think if I continue to like just to buff it out, it'll be fine. So the interior of the bag, let me first take out the chain. This chain, you guys, is so beautiful. It's like this this gunmetal kind of silver, and I was actually surprised because I do normally wear just gold, but I love this kind of color. It's not very shiny. I think that's what I don't like, is very shiny silver, but this is like a very edgy gunmetal silver, so I love that about it. It is very, very thick and luxurious feeling, very good quality. I just love about this bag, and it doesn't like dig into my shoulder. It's just very, very comfortable. So that's what I like about it. And getting into the inside of the bag, has a microfiber suede on this side and at the back, and on the sides of the bag it has canvas, and also on the bottom. It is a small bag, but it can fit a lot. I plan on doing a what's in my bag video. If you aren't already subscribed, please make sure you subscribe so you can see my upcoming videos on this bag. But you can also wear it two different ways. Like I said, I'm a crossbody kind of gal, so I usually wear it crossbody. You can also double the chain like this to wear it on your shoulder. But yeah, I usually just wear it crossbody, and the chain just sits on here, and it is not removable, the chain, the crossbody strap. It just goes through, and I've heard people say that they have like problems with the chain twisting, but I haven't had any problems at all with that, which I'm very, very happy about. This bag is truly made so well, and I love it so much. I have been wearing it, like I said, for 3 weeks now, and I've been loving carrying it. It makes me so happy when I carry it. But I can't really tell you much more about this bag. Today's concept of the video is just unboxing, but I do plan on like doing a 6-month review, 1-year review on this bag, a what's in my bag. So yeah, I'm so excited to carry this, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up, and leave me any comments down below on videos you would like to see. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your day or night wherever you're in the world, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.